Surabaya Hotel. And I'm staying at the 3-star hotel. About this review that a lot of travelers have given a good review for. I'm going to show you around hotel room, how it really looks like. Let's have a look. So this is the main door with the mirror, and this is the bed. Small and cozy. Okay, you can see that I have a working table. Out is the window. This is facing the city area. And here is my wardrobe. Comes with safety deposit box. With a king size bed. And show you my bathroom. So it's a very simple bathroom. Comes with cups, no toothbrushes. Have the shower gel and shampoo, toilet, towel. I'm going to show you my amenity kit. Toiletries, I guess. Let's open up and see what we have. 2 pair of slippers. And what else? I have 2 toothbrushes, paste